Hi, I'm Trisha Isaby and this is Start to Style. Today we're going to talk about picking out a hardwood floor. If you like what you see, subscribe below. We have many more design tips and style videos to come. Picking a hardwood floor isn't easy. There are so many different styles to choose from. I'm going to give you 5 great tips on how to narrow down the selection. Number 1, know the style of your home. Is it modern, traditional, industrial, contemporary, or farmhouse? Wide planks, distressed, and rustic woods work well with the farmhouse look, as well as the industrial. A modern look is cleaner, less character in the wood, and neutral colors. Traditional lends itself to warmth and comfort. Think a bit darker in color. No wide plank here. Number 2, what is your color scheme? My big must-do, bring all of the materials you've already chosen for your home to the hardwood floor store. Tile, carpet, countertop, and cabinets, you name it. Everything that will be in the same room as the hardwood. Subtle undertones of woods can be difficult to pick up until you see everything together. Once you've chosen a floor you think works, take it to your home to have one more look with all of the other materials in that lighting. Number 3, location. Where you live can have a big influence on the type of hardwood floor you should choose. If you live in a dry climate and you choose an exotic wood that's used to humidity, you may have a lot of trouble with shrinkage. Choose a wood that can acclimatize well to your location. Number 4, durability. This is everything to do with your lifestyle. Do you have children? Do you have pets? Do you take your shoes off when you get home? Some woods are harder than others. A soft floor like walnut can scratch easily. An oak floor would be much more durable. Be realistic about your lifestyle and choose a floor that won't fight it. And finally, number 5, your budget. Before you go shopping, make sure to calculate the amount of square footage of flooring that you're going to need. Aside from the cost of the flooring itself, don't forget to factor in installation, which can vary depending on the type of wood you're using. If you're on a tighter budget, consider a pre-finished option. Keeping these 5 tips in mind should make your hardwood floor shopping a lot easier and less stressful. Thanks for watching Start to Style. If you like what you saw, subscribe below. Today we're picking out a hardwood floor. No, we're not. We're actually talking about it. 5 great tips on how to narrow down your suggestions. Keeping your hardwood floor shopping in mind should make your 5 tips a lot less stressful. Shopping a lot less stressful, and I forgot what I was going to say. Thanks for watching Starts to Style. Starts to Style. Starts to Style.